everybody, I'm Kimberly Tupper. Welcome back to Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. Today is a special shout out to Oak Creek Elementary School students who are having their virtual spring fling. So welcome to my art class. We are going to draw an owl because you guys are wise owls. So I'll lead you through a cute cartoon because I love cartoons with cute eyes. At the end, you can personalize it, add clothes, add hat, bow, whatever you like. Make it your own, and let's get started. If you watch any of my drawing videos, you'll always hear me say, draw light till it's right, because you want to be erasing things. But here's the cute thing about cartoons, is they always have really big eyes. So the first thing we're going to start with is 2 circles. So on your paper, I want you to just give me 2 big circles, which are going to be the eyeballs. And the more cutesy you want it to look, the bigger your eyes. And bigger in proportion to the rest of the body. So inside of that, let's give ourselves another circle because we are going to make super cute, fun cartoon eyes that we color in. And notice that I am not bringing a full circle inside, I'm actually attaching it to the side. So if you want your little eyes to look crossed, you can just bring those pupils in a little bit more. Let's one more circle. Give me which will be the black of the eye. And then here is your last circle. But inside this, we need the whites of the eyes. So you will just leave this circle for not to color in. So that's your indication. Maybe you want something cutesy and you can add a little heart in the corner. But this, when it's filled in, will end up being all black. And then the next portion is the colored eyes, color in the eyes that we'll get to afterwards. Okay, so we got a really cute eye. I'll just fill this in quickly. The next thing we need is a little beak. And the beak is kind of like an upside down Hershey kiss or a teardrop. You could think of it as that. And this you can just leave, or you can make it an open mouth. Maybe your little bird is singing or talking. Maybe you talk a lot in class and you're drawing yourself as an owl. So there you are. The next thing we're going to do is add a little feather. So we're going to frame the face. So just over here, I'm going to add a little feather, curl my line over top of my eyes, coming right above. Just add a little feathers as well. See, that's all it is. But from there, I'm going to bring it down to the side. Now we got the top of his head. And now one more, I'm going to add a little bit more feathers, a little line above, a little bigger. And this line, maybe I'll dip it down at the top of the owl's head and bring those feathers up around and leave it there, okay? The next thing we're gonna do is just bring now underneath the eyes. We'll just finish rounding this out just a little bit. And now we're gonna add the body. So I think it's kind of cute when they have a shorter, rounder body and then little wings if you want to make it little kid-like. So another little teardrop on the side, we are going to add ourselves a little wing. You can make yours long and narrow if you want, or you can make it small. And then from there, we'll throw in the body underneath. So maybe my body's rounded like this, and I'm gonna bring it down on the side. Don't worry about the wing on the right yet, okay? So we'll leave it here. But right underneath, we are going to add the little feathers of the chest that come down. Nice and little scallops, rounded lines. Maybe I'll raise that. This can be some more fun feathers right under here. And now the wing on the right, now I will draw it in because this one will look like it is tucked behind the body a little bit. So that's why I didn't want to draw it right away. And I'll match that wing so it comes down the same height as that. From there, I just need a little bit of legs. Here's the easy legs. We do 3 little ovals. Do a smaller, a larger, and a smaller one. And on the other side, smaller, the middle one is larger, and then smaller on the side. I'll erase those lines, get ready for coloring. If you want to add things, maybe you want to personalize it, maybe you want to add a bow up here. Maybe you wear glasses and you want to add some glasses on your owl. Maybe you love to wear things in your hair and you want to add a cute little flower up in its hair. Or maybe you want their little owl to hold a heart or something off to the side. And then the last thing we'll do is maybe I could give it a little branch to sit on. And have a leaf coming off of that. And I've got a cute owl ready to be colored. All right, let's go. Okay, we are done. We have drawn cute cartoon owls with big cartoon eyes. Hopefully you guys added things to it, whether it's glasses or other little embellishments to make it your own. Thank you, Oak Creek Elementary School, for joining me today with drawing a wise owl. Thank you guys. Be creative, keep drawing, and maybe come back and enjoy another drawing video with me at Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. Bye.